Welcome back, Nail Crew. Welcome back. So today I'm doing a super easy, quick, instant manicure. It's going to be so easy, you guys. But before we get into that, let's give a hey, girl, hey to Sharon. Sharon is my middle name. So you got to give like a hey, girl, hey to her and me at the same time. Okay? All right. What's up, Sharon? Thanks for supporting my channel. I love you so much. All right, let's get into it. So I have 3 different designs, you guys. These boxes are so cute and dainty. It has the website on it. It has instructions on how to do the press-ons on the back. I just love it, you guys. It is so cute. I'm a sucker for packaging, you guys. I'm a sucker for packaging. So the first one I showed you was ombre, and I feel like that's a classic everyday wear. This one, I like the cinnamon color because it kind of reminds me of fall or winter. And then here's another ombre one, but it has pearls, a little bling on there. So of all of these, I think the bling one is more my style, but I also like the glitter one. And then again, the first one, the classic ombre, it's classic. So what can I say? I like all of them. Let me show you guys the website. They have lashes and polishes, but we're just going to skip right over to the press-ons because duh, that's what we're talking about today. So I'm showing you guys the Shiny Evening on the website. Only $16. I think that's a really good price, especially because these tips are reusable. So you can put them on, take them off, put them on, take them off. You can have them forever. So I think at $16, and I have a coupon code for ya. I got a coupon code for ya. So you can take a screenshot of the coupon code, or you can click the link in the description box, and then I would put the coupon code there for you as well. But I just want to show you guys the website just to show you how to navigate and maneuver around. But also, Nail Crew, you guys know that I'm thrifty. You know, I don't want to spend too much if I don't have to. But their site, everything was reasonably priced. I didn't see anything that was crazy. And again, I do have a code. So it's already priced well. And then I'm going to save you some money. If you guys are in the market for press-ons, this might be the company for you. Now let's get into the set. So, Nail Crew, do you guys remember this set of nails? Like, I literally just did it. Oh my gosh. Well, thanks to Zaxby's, this is what the nails look like right now. This is what it looks like right now, you guys. Zaxby's, you tried it. You tried it. I'm like, what? I'm going to get her life all the way together, though, right now with this instant manicure. So I let her choose which design she wanted. I was very surprised. I was very, very surprised. But she wanted just the classic ombre. So I was like, okay, no problem. You get also these tabs. Now, I'm excited for the tabs. I have not played with tabs like this. Maybe when I was in elementary, you know how your mom buys you those little plastic nails, you know, from the little corner store or whatever. Yeah, we all played with tabs then, but since elementary, I cannot say that I have. So this is going to be fun. You also get glue because sometimes you want your nails on for a day and sometimes you want them on for a week or longer. So I'm so excited that you get tabs and glue. You also get a nail prep wipe, which is very thoughtful, a little file, and a cuticle pusher. So super cool, you guys. This little kit, you get the whole shebang. You could just, here, let me set it up for you so you could just get the whole picture. So you can do your whole manicure with all this stuff. Now, I am going to add primer because I'm extra. You know what I'm saying? I'm just extra. I like to add primer to everything. So I'm going to apply just a thin layer of primer to all her nails and I'm going to let them dry. I don't think I have to mention that her nails were already prepped. You do want to prep the nails before you do anything, right? So by prep, I just mean make sure that both hands are clean and then you want to push back the cuticles and remove the surface shine from the nail plate. So that's what I mean by prep. So once the nails are prepped, you can go in with the primer and then we can apply the sticky tabs. I'm excited for the sticky tabs. I really am, you guys. I really am. And my niece was too. She was like, oh my gosh, I haven't seen these before. I'm like, girl, me either. So it was really, really fun to do and play with these because it is so late right now. It's like 2 a.m., 2 or 3 in the morning. But, you know, she has insomnia. I have insomnia. Shoot, let's do some nails. So here we are. She has to go to work tomorrow. So that's why we're not using the glue. Zaxby's tried it, you guys. Zaxby's, who works at Zaxby's? If you work at Zaxby's, drop the chicken emoji, please, in the comment section so that I could come on your little message and put hashtag tried it. No, I'm just kidding. Don't do that. I'm kidding. But yeah, I did her nails and it took me so long to do her nails because she's very indecisive. So she's going back and forth with different colors and it was just a big mess, right? And they came out so cute in the end. So I was, you know, I didn't mind. But yeah, she went to work. She went to work and her boss was like, no, ma'am, where you going with them nails? We told you when you signed up for this job, no nails. And what did she do? She came to work with nails. And what did they do? Tell her to go pop them off. And no, well, you saw what her nails look like. A hot mess. So I'm so grateful for these press-ons because now, look, you guys, look, she could still have nails even though she works for Zaxby's. She can still have nails on the days that she's off and still feel like a beautiful young lady that she is. So as you guys saw, I primed her nails, right? And then all I did was put the little sticky tabs right on her nail, peeled the backing off, and placed the nails on top of that. That's it. A child could do this. This is so simple, you guys. This is so simple. Now, I must admit, I don't think the sticky tabs are going to give you a nice flushed appearance. Right now, it looks amazing. It looks flat. But I know that if you were to apply the glue, that it would be even more flat and it would look a lot better. Now, this looks good, so don't get me wrong. It looks amazing. And I did this in like 2 minutes. But for a longer, more realistic finish, I definitely would do the glue. Now, I am going to top this off with some cuticle oil. If you apply cuticle oil and the tabs, make sure that the oil does not get under the nail and touch the tabs, because obviously you guys know that the oil will disrupt or break down the adhesive. Your nails will go flying off. So be very gentle with the cuticle oil and make sure that it does not get on the actual nail itself or under, to which case it will melt the adhesive. All right. And this is what it looks like, you guys. So stinking cute. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. Do you wear press-ons? Let me know what brand of press-ons you wear. Also, do you use glue or are you into the sticky tabs? All right, now crew, that's a wrap. Thanks for rocking with me until the end. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share if you haven't already. And I will see you next time. Bye.